Hello subscribers, today I want to talk to you about an inexpensive gas leak tester that you might want to consider having around the house. Every once in a while you might think you smell gas and you're not sure where it's coming from, so a little gas leak tester can identify where it's coming from, and if you know the source of where it's coming from, you can determine whether it's something you can fix yourself, or if you need to hire a plumber or somebody else to come in to help repair the issue. You know, it's always a good thing to not blow up your house.
Fire in the hole!
Anyway, this little gas leak detector that is made by a company called Toptes, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it properly. It was a gas leak detector that was, in my opinion, a budget. It doesn't mean anything as far as its functionality, but you know, there were some detectors out there that are well over $100, and this one was way less than that. And I just thought I would give it a shot and see how well it works. And it is pretty simple. So again, this is what the box looks like, and this is what the detector looks like. It comes with two AAA batteries that get put in right behind the back. This thing looks just like a pen, and it's got a power button, and it's got a high and a low sensitivity button right here. Okay, so when we turn it on, you can see the meter going up there showing you that it's sniffing, I guess. And with this light on the S, the sensitivity button, that means it's at high sensitivity. When you turn it off, it's not done doing its initial setup here, but when you turn it off, the light's off and it goes to low sensitivity. So what you want to do, if you go into a room where you think you smell gas, you put it on high sensitivity and it'll start immediately picking it up. And we're going to test this out. You're going to see what I mean. Okay, so now I can press this button again. Low sensitivity off. Okay. So you put it on high sensitivity first, so that way you can determine, you know, whether you have a gas leak issue. And then once you think you may have gotten in the general area, you put it on low sensitivity, so that way you can get closer to where the potential gas leak is and zoom right in on it. So that way it's not just reading, you know, giving you beeps and signals in the middle of a room and you're not exactly sure where it's coming from. So that's what the difference between the high and the low is. So what we're going to do is we're going to give this a shot. We're going to test it in a couple of spots. First we're going to do is go over to the stove, where we can definitely get the thing to trip. And then we'll go down by my gas hot water heater and my gas furnace to see whether we have any gas leak issues there. Here we are in the kitchen, and I want to turn the gas on and see if this thing detects the gas. I'm going to take it off the high sensitivity mode. I guess there's just so much gas in here that it's still doing it. Okay, now it's off. The gas is off. Let's see how long it takes before the beeps slow down. Let's go down and head to the basement and check the other devices. All right, we are by the furnace, and I want to check where all of the gas lines are threaded, and not picking up anything. That's a good thing. So that's good. Let's go by the hot water heater. No gas detected here either. All right, so final review of the Toptes gas detector, gas leak detector. I mean, what can you say? You saw it on the video. It picked up the, it sensed right away the gas as soon as I turned the stove on. And then as soon as I turned it down and the gas started to dissipate, it also started to decrease the number of beeps and the signal that, you know, is indicating that the gas was dissipating, which it was. So that's exactly what you want. You know, the good news for me is that it did not pick up anything around the other devices that use gas. The bad news for the video is that it didn't pick up any leak because, well, there isn't one, so that's good. But you know what? For the cost, it's a really good thing to have around the house. I recommend it. You can, if you're interested in it, I've got a link in the description down below where you can find it. And if you think this is worthy, give the video a like, and maybe this thing could be something that you can have in your garage. That way you can test out, even if you're not sure, if you're reconnecting gas lines. Let's say you've got a gas dryer or a gas stove that you want to reconnect yourself, and you want to make sure that it's not leaking after you connect it. You can get this thing out and you can check it out. So again, hopefully this helped you. Thanks again for watching, and I hope that you come back to watch the next video. Thank you.